In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages within a page in Squarespace. Whether you're organizing your website or simply trying to create a more user-friendly navigation system, adding a drop-down menu can make a big difference. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this happen with ease. First things first, you'll need to access your Pages panel, which is the control center for all your website's pages. To begin, log into your Squarespace account like you normally would. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the Pages section. You can find this on the main menu, and it's where all the magic begins. This section allows you to manage all the pages live on your website, from your home page to your contact page. Now that you're in the right place, let's focus on adding a drop-down menu, which is a handy tool for organizing a group of related pages under one main heading. When you look at your Pages panel, you'll see a little plus icon. This is your key to adding new elements. Depending on where you want your drop-down to show up, click the plus icon next to either the main navigation or, if you prefer, within the Not Linked section. After clicking, you'll see a list of options appear. From these, select Drop-down. This option allows you to create a new menu item under which you can nest additional pages. Once you've done that, you can name your drop-down. For instance, if you want to group all your service-related pages, you might call it Services. This step is all about making your site intuitive and easy to explore, so choose a title that best reflects the content you'll be grouping together. Now that you have your drop-down set up, it's time to add pages to it. You have a couple of options here. If you already have existing pages that you want to nest within this drop-down, it's as simple as dragging and dropping them into the space right below your newly created drop-down item. This action will nest these pages, making them part of the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you need to create new pages that will fit under your drop-down, the process is straightforward. Just click the option to Add Page right underneath the drop-down. You'll then be prompted to select the type of page you wish to create, whether it's a blank page, gallery, blog, or something else. By adding new pages this way, you're ensuring your site continues to grow in a well-organized and logical manner. And there you have it. Following these steps, you're now equipped to create a structured, easy-to-navigate website by adding drop-down menus in Squarespace. Feel free to experiment with different layouts and make your website as user-friendly as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.